they're showing another SQL lab. So here they're saying SQL injection union attack, uh, retrieving data from other table. So let's get into hacking. Here it is accessories. We send this to repeater. We send the response and check the response. So we got a response. This is HTTP, like yeah, the page which is rendered, like graphical form, and this is code. So this time we are going with this page, so everyone will understand easily. So to check whether it contains SQL injection, put quote or slash forward or backward slash hash. So it will show internal server error. It's taking time. Internal server error. So as they told, union-based attack. So union. So to choose union, we should know that both columns should contain compatible data types and same number of columns. So it will work properly. Okay. First we will check with null. Null is compatible to all data types usually. Okay. Null, it is not giving. It is still giving internal server error. So we will put another. So maybe there are two columns. Right. There are two columns. So here our query is reflecting. Again, we will check another column whether it is there or not. To prove you still internal server. So there are only two columns, and we need to log in, right? So here they mention if the like, table name is users and there are two columns, username and password. If they didn't mention, means what you have to do is you need to guess. How you need to guess? Let me show you. So single quote, just put you. Okay. See, the first column is username, so it's showing you. If it is something else, I will show you. Yell, okay, not yell. P only I will take. So the person, maybe it is taking password also. We will put W. There is no column named W, right? It is showing. Maybe there are columns with W also, but we need to find only username, right? So username, username. Right? So I will remove the code and show you from the table. They told table users, right? Recruit as a user. See, we get the users Carlos, winner, and administrator. I'll show you again. Before it was not there, now it came. Okay, from this. Before it was not there. So from here, this null also we will replace as password. We need password also. So, string name again. Remain select username and password because it is string type, and the previous table have also string type, so it is compatible. So it is fetching the user. The users is a column, a table. Sorry, users is a table from which it is fetching two columns. So username is winner here. You will click it, and password is this, right? But for administrator, it is not showing. So what we can do is we can go back to the code because all the page is not showing there, right? We can check by manually or just type administrator. This is our password, got it? So we will log in as administrator here, my account, okay? Administrator, then password. What we copied, it is a password. I'll show you. It will be logged, right? Your username is administrator. Congratulations, you solved the lab. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.